Ever wondered why some teams talk about TDD while others swear by BDD? Let's break it down with a simple analogy. TDD, or test-driven development, is like building a house one brick at a time, and inspecting every single brick before you move on. You write a little code, then immediately write a test to make sure it works. If it doesn't, you fix it right away. It's all about making sure each piece is solid, from the ground up. Now, BDD, or behavior-driven development, is more like inviting someone to tour your new house and seeing if it feels like home. Here, you focus on how the whole system behaves. Writing tests in everyday language like when I flip the light switch, the light should turn on. It's about making sure the house actually works for anyone who steps inside, not just that each brick is perfect. So TDD is developer-focused. Are the parts built right? BDD is user-focused. Does it do what people expect? Both use tests, but TDD zooms in on the code while BDD zooms out to the experience. In short, TDD tests the nuts and bolts. BDD tests the whole journey. Combine them, and you get rock-solid software that people love to use. Now you know the difference. Which one would you try first?